Hi, first grade friends. It's Mrs. Dickinson again. Did you get to explore the 4 habitats? Good. Now I want you to choose one that you would want to write about and visit. So looking at your World Traveler project directions, you can keep scrolling to the next page. And here are your choices. If you liked the desert, you can pick traveling to the Sahara Desert. You are going to ride on a camel, sleep in the desert, visit some hot springs, and walk across the dunes. Can you see people in this picture walking across the dunes? If you liked the polar animal video and you want to travel to the Arctic, this is what you're going to be doing. Sleeping under the stars, climbing a mountain, viewing the wildlife, and going ice fishing. If that interests you, you choose the Arctic. Did you read about rainforest animals? If this is the place you choose to visit, write down the Amazon rainforest. On your trip, you may kayak down the Amazon. You may go on a wildlife hike, climb tropical trees, and camp in the rainforest. And the last one is the African savanna. If you choose to visit on your trip, you may go on a safari, watch some birds, ride an elephant, and camp in the savannah. Now you can only choose one, but if you really wanted to choose 2, you could do this project 2 times. Now that you chose the habitat that you would like to visit, you are going to think of these questions. I want you to look at your daily agenda sheet and click on Traveler Paper Copy. Open that up. These are all the questions that you are going to answer. Don't forget to write your name, your date, and your number. What habitat will you travel to? You circle 1. The next question is, how will you be protected in this habitat? I want you to think about what type of clothing, maybe what type of equipment you might need, and write in complete sentences. The next question is, how will you get food? What type of equipment will you need? Make sure you're writing your answer in a complete sentence with a capital letter at the beginning and a punctuation mark at the end. Go back and reread. Make sure it makes sense. How will you move around the habitat? What type of clothing or equipment will you need? I'm thinking if I was in the Sahara Desert, I would not be wearing flip-flops. But you know what I would be wearing? Sunglasses. Next question. How will you camouflage in the habitat? What color or pattern should your clothing be? Think about, what does the habitat look like around you? Last task. You get to draw a picture of what you would be wearing. Think about any type of shoes, clothing. Don't forget to include what color it is. Happy traveling. Can't wait to see your finished project.